this video, I'll show you how to create these beautiful iOS animations in SwiftUI using the incredible capabilities of Gemini 2.5 Pro and OpenAI's O3 model. Gemini 2.5 Pro supports video. In this example, I have screen recorded this animation from one of the Apple developers' videos. So I recorded this as an MP4. So we can upload the animation in this video to Google AI Studio and ask Gemini 2.5 Pro to recreate this animation. However, I noticed after generating the animation with Gemini 2.5 Pro, it struggles to fix errors if you have any. The OpenAI O3 model is also good at fixing SwiftUI errors in Xcode. So we generate the code using Gemini 2.5 Pro. We are now in Google AI Studio. You have noticed here, I have uploaded the same video and added this prompt to generate the SwiftUI animation using SF symbols for an iOS app. So the Gemini 2.5 model went ahead to generate code for the various animations. So over here, you have noticed it gave explanation to the generated code. So here we have the code containing all the three animations. So I copied this code and created a file in Xcode to text the code generated by Gemini 2.5 Pro. In total, there were about 9 errors. So I went ahead to add a follow-up prompt to fix the errors. So Gemini 2.5 went ahead to modify the original code generated and also generated a new code. So I copied this code again to test it in Xcode. However, the errors still remained. So I jumped to ChatGPT Chat Bar to fix those errors. If you have the ChatGPT app already installed on Mac, you can bring ChatGPT Chat Bar using Option and the space bar. ChatGPT Chat Bar gives you a compact window so you can move it around the screen. You have noticed here I added a prompt, fix all the errors you see in this file. So it went ahead to modify the file. You have noticed here we have the same file name, animationcontentview.swift. So it made changes and applied the changes it made to the file. So with this follow-up prompt, it was able to fix all the 9 errors that resulted in the code generated by Gemini 2.5 Pro. So if we go to the Xcode project, this is the fixed version of the code generated by the O3 model. You can find this source code in the description of the video. So by combining the two models, Gemini 2.5 Pro and OpenAI's O3 model, you have noticed we have our beautiful SwiftUI animations. If I bring the video again, you will notice the first two animations are quite similar, although I added a prompt to repeat the animations. The third animation is a bit different, but once you have the animation this way, we can go through the code and change it in any way we want.